Hi guys, so now we're gonna do a bag raid. So here's my bag, and inside is I already got one thing in my bag. So it is here inside. It's my mask to protect. Not really, because it's just a cloth. And I have here is the lip tint from Born Beauty, and it's color Lush. I don't know if you can see it, guys. And then I have here a clip for my hair. So it's a clip. And here inside I have my wallet. Of course, I don't want to open it. I have my perfume. I just bought it yesterday because I have a menstruation. I bought a napkin. Oh yeah, of course, to make. And I have a charger. Of course, just put it there. I have, of course, because it's raining, I have a umbrella. And I always bring my deodorant. It is powder. And I have here my lip balm. It is coconut. I also have my alcohol, and it is broken already. And last, I have my other lipstick. It is matte premium stain. It's color Elia. And I have here tissue, so very sputtered. So I'm gonna put it back. It's just, yeah, it's summarized that. Wait, I'm just gonna fix it because it's so very messy. Put it inside. Oh, so that you can look. I have 3 missing nails. I forgot, because when I'm taking a bath, I accidentally removed it, and I forgot to bring it. But by the way, I bring the glue. This is the glue for the nail glue. This is where you put it. And I also have more clips here. Yeah, more clips, because I like this. So cute. And oh, what is this? Some coins. I'm so fat. Excuse my fat now. I'll return it on. My bag is so messy. Yeah, that summarizes my bag raid. Oh, it's so boring. I don't have much in my bag. Oh, my tummy is so big. So that's all, and bye guys.